Your channel is sitting at 5 viewers. The silence in your chat is deafening. Then you see a link promising thousands of followers for a few bucks. It feels like the magic pill you have been waiting for. But this specific platform is exactly where you should stop and think twice. Most people just see a sleek landing page and click buy. But if you look under the hood, the engine is missing. We are talking about a website that did not even exist until June of 2025. Think about that for a second. In an industry built on trust and longevity, they have zero history, zero track record, and zero skin in the game. It is a digital ghost town. Usually, when a company wants your money, they show you a face. They give you a name, a founder, a story. Here, there is nothing but a wall of silence. No one is claiming ownership. No one is standing behind the product. It is just an anonymous portal waiting for your credit card details. And if you think you can check their social media to see what others are saying, good luck. They do not even have a Facebook page. They do not have an Instagram. For a service that claims to help you master social media, their own absence is a massive, glaring irony. It is like hiring a fitness coach who refuses to show up at the gym. It just does not add up. Then we have the customer support situation. They list a physical address on the site, but it is not a real headquarters. It is a generic string of text, likely pulled from a random map and pasted there to look official. When you try to use the live chat, you are met with a void. No one answers. No one is home. It is a facade, a cardboard cutout of a business. They brag about having over 3,500 happy customers. But where are they hiding? You can search every major review platform from top to bottom, and you will find nothing. Not a single verified soul has gone on the record to say this actually works. The major review sites are completely empty. The forums are silent. There is a massive gap between what they claim and what actually exists in the real world. Real growth takes time, and it takes effort. These shortcuts are often just traps designed to harvest your data or take your cash without ever delivering a single viewer. You have worked too hard on your content to throw it all away on a site that appeared out of nowhere a few weeks ago. If there is no transparency, no history, and no real human beings behind the curtain, then there is no reason to trust them with your hard-earned money. The streaming world is full of people looking to take advantage of your ambition. Do not let yourself be another statistic. If the lights are on but nobody is home, do not bother knocking. Be smart. Protect your brand. Stay away from the shiny promises that have no foundation to stand on, because once your money is gone, that ghost town will just vanish into the digital mist. Keep your focus on your craft, not on shortcuts that lead to nowhere.